Alright, Maria, come out of the closet. You feel better? So, a blonde walks into a bar, and she says, what the heck? You're so cute right now.
Call my mom.
We really need to call your mom. Hey, look what I made. Take off that polka dot bikini, girl.
Hey.
Hey, do you like fish?
Yes.
Do you like fish sticks?
Of course.
Do you like putting fish sticks in your mouth?
Yes, definitely.
What are you, some sort of gay fish? So, a blonde walks into a bar, and she says, nobody puts baby in the corner. Yeah, I mean, can you believe how little she was?